Now let's look at the data decision assessment instructions and checklist. Here's the file. We started with the standards and then we talked about assessment, which was the goal we hoped to reach. And now we're to the point where we're making some decisions based on how the students did on the unit. These are the pieces that will all be included as part of the assignment, the standard and the FEEP, and the instructions, which consist of 3 parts. There is the blueprint, which talks about how you communicate information about formative and summative assessment for your unit plan. That includes your standards and the assessments that you use for each of those lessons, as well as the rubric that you will use to assess the final project. The second part, which is the grade book with the grading scale that you will use the Excel template for. You can make up any numbers you want for these different lessons and final project. This is just an example down here about that says that it would be that 10 would be what you would give a student for the unit, and that 9 to 10 would be an A, and 8 to 7 would be an A minus, etc. But you can make up anything you want. That you're the teacher, you get to make it up. Keep it simple though. And then part 3 are those questions at the end that you answer, which basically are about improving instruction and what you're going to do to try to help students perform better. And this is how it is graded. It's worth 50 points. This is what we'll be looking for in the blueprint. This is what I'll be looking for in the gradebook and the grading scale. And of course, you've got those questions at the end about analysis of how your students did and your communication.